Okay, so now IRS has decided to forcefully recollect this amount from you by involving the Internal Revenue Code, which is PSLA 2011/18 against you. This means IRS will mark a lien on your all official assets, including your house, your car, and your all non-bank account will be frozen, and we will also file a legal notice on the public and to the creditors, those who are affected with that the government has taken a legal claim on your properties, and your state ID and your passport and your
Oh,
driving license will also be frozen. And
oh,
when I
why?
terminate this call from mine, or it will be terminated by your end, I will signing your arrest warrant and I will send it to your nearby sheriff department, and they will reach you within 45 minutes or by an hour to arrest you, and they will take you to the custody for
Oh,
more than 48 hours. And there
but
you will find our two agents from Internal Revenue Service, and they will show you all your tax paper, and they will explain you that where you have done the mistakes, so that the mistake you will not repeat in future. Okay, so I have
yeah,
completed my part. If you have any problem regarding this, I'm here to help you.
yeah. So in 45 days I need to pay, or in 45 days they
No,
come to my house.
no, sir. After terminating this call, I will transfer your arrest warrant to the nearby sheriff department, and they will reach you within 45 minutes or by an hour
Minutes.
to arrest you. Yes, sir. Within
Wow.
45 minutes or an hour.
Oh
So
shit.
what? So so now I want to know some more answer from you. So while giving the answer, please be honest, because this line is
Okay.
monitored by the jury members. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So while talking to you, I have pulled out your criminal records. So, and I
Okay.
found that there is no criminal record on your name. So is I'm right or is I'm wrong?
Yeah. And that is true.
Okay. So is there any judgment pending on your name inside the courthouse?
Can you repeat that?
Okay. So is there any judgment pending inside the courthouse on behalf of your name?
I don't know.
Okay. So while talking to you, I found that you are an honest person, and it was the honest
Thank you.
mistake done by you. And it
Yes.
was not your
Yes.
intention to cheat with the government.
Yeah,
So
thank
I
you.
can do one thing for you, and I can raise and request on the behalf of you into the front of my senior authority of IRS, and I will convince them to provide you another chance to solve
Yes.
this problem.
Yes,
Do you
please,
want me
please.
to raise and request? Okay.
I'm begging you,
So,
man. I'm begging you, please.
okay, so I'm transferring your call to my senior authority of IRS, and they will talk to you, and please try to convince to provide you another chance. And if
Yes.
you are able to convince them, then they can provide you another chance to solve this problem. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so please be online. I'm transferring your call to my senior authority.
Yes. Yes. Thank you so much.
Okay, so.
Internal Revenue Service.
Yes. Hello.
Can I help?
Yes. Hello.
Yes, how can I
Yes.
help you?
Is Michael here? your colleague
Uh-huh.
put forwarded me to you.
Okay.
Yeah, and I'm really scared, man. I just want to pay and get it done. I don't want
Is
any
this Mr.
trouble.
Is this Mr. Michael Jacobs with the
Yes, sir.
state of, let me just check, with the state of Iowa?
Yes, sir.
All right. Mr. Jacobs, a very good afternoon to you. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Jason O'Connor. I am the Chief Investigation Officer with the IRS, the Internal Revenue Service. My
Yes.
batch ID number is 80995. How are you doing this afternoon, Mr. Jacob?
Not so well after this call.
I can certainly understand your concern, Mr. Jacob. So,
Yes.
Mr. Jacobs, your case is about to get executed into the State County Court of Iowa.
No, I
Probably
don't
within
want that.
next.
I don't want that.
Mhm. Well, Mr. Jacobs,
Please,
I just need to
please,
ask you one simple thing.
man.
Was it really your intention to commit any kind of fraud with the government, or is there
No,
any
no.
other reason behind
Of
it?
course not.
Okay. See, Mr. Jacobs, at this point of moment, I can definitely provide you an option where else you can pay this $4,566 and
Yeah.
you can rectify your mistakes rather getting arrested or
Yes,
rather facing
please,
the problem.
please. Can I
Sir,
pay? I just wanted to
Mr.
pay.
Jacobs,
Please.
Mr. Jacobs, first of all, you have to get calm, you have to get relaxed, and you have to
No,
give me a chance to complete
I
my
am.
part.
Yes, I am scared.
Mr.
I don't want
Jacobs,
any problem, man. I just got a new job.
Mr. Jacob, can
Yes,
you
sir.
please give me a chance to complete my part, or should I terminate the conversation?
No, sir. No, sir. I'm sorry.
That's okay. Now, what I'm telling you, please get calm, get relaxed. I am here to help you. You can take me as your friend, and I promise you, till the time I am sitting here, nothing will be happening to you. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Now, at this point of moment, there are some terms and conditions of the IRS what you have to fulfill very strictly without doing any kind of mistake. If
Yes,
you
sir.
would be able to,
Okay, sir. It's getting too
Mr.
much for
Jacobs,
me. I just got a new job and a new house. I don't want any problem.
Mr. Jacobs,
Yes,
Mr.
sir.
Jacobs, please
Yes, sir.
stop crying, get calm, get relaxed, behave like
Okay.
a man. Please.
Okay, sir. Okay.
All right? Like I told
Okay.
you before, I am like your friend and I am
Okay.
here to help you. Your
Yes.
case is my responsibilities, and I
Okay.
promise you that nothing will be happening. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
All right. Now, there are some terms and conditions of the IRS what you have to fulfill very strictly without doing any kind of single mistake.
Okay.
If you would be able to fulfill the terms and conditions of the IRS, if you would be able to obey the rules and regulations of the government, then and then I would be able to help you out with this situation. So, what I'll do is I will provide you the terms and condition, and you have to tell me whether you can fulfill all the terms and conditions of the IRS very strictly without doing any kind of mistakes or not. All right, sir?
Okay, sir.
Uh-huh. Do you mind grab a pencil and a piece of paper handy so that I can give you the terms and conditions?
Okay. Yes, I have it, man.
Okay. Now, here we go with the terms and conditions. Now, condition number 1, your payment for the amount of $4,566 has to be done within next hour or hour and 30 minutes from now. I'll
Okay.
repeat the condition number 1 again. Your payment for the amount of $4,566 has to be done within next 1 hour or hour and 30 minutes from now. Have you got
Okay.
the condition number 1, sir?
Yes, this is no problem.
Okay. Now, condition number 2, till the time this issue will not get resolved, you will have to stay connected with me on your cell phone, because if by any means this line is getting disconnected, the case will be registered into the courthouse and the option to resolve this issue will get closed automatically. Because after
Okay.
paying this $4,566, we will have to play all the recordings into the courthouse as
Okay.
an evidence in your favor that yes, you are a law-abiding citizen of the country. It was never your intention to commit any kind of fraud with the government. Whatever happened, that was just an honest mistake from you. So that on the basis of those recording, we can remove all the allegations from your name and we can cancel your arrest warrant. So you will have to stay connected with me on your cell phone till the time your case will not get closed. Have you got
Okay.
the condition number 2, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, condition number 3, as such, your case is under subjudicial act under the chapter number 93C. Now, do you
Okay.
know the meaning of subjudicial? What does it mean, sir?
No.
Okay, let me explain it to you. Subjudicial means confidential. Like I explained you before, that at this point of moment, we have not yet announced you a criminal in the state of Iowa. We have not yet disclosed the information into the public. Public means not to any of the sheriff county department in the state of Iowa, not to the city police, not to your place of employment, and not even in your state. Just
Yeah.
to maintain your respect and
Okay.
just to maintain your reputation. Because if the police officers will approach you at your place and
Yes.
get you arrested, it might be a very embarrassing moment for you in
Yes.
front of your family members and in
Yes.
front of your society. Is that
Yeah.
right, sir?
Yes, sir.
So just to maintain your respect and just to maintain your reputation, we have kept this information confidential between you and the IRS. We have not yet disclosed the information into the public. So I just need to ask you one simple thing over the recorded lines. That
Okay.
do you want us to keep this information confidential and private between you and the IRS, or you
Yes, sir.
want us to disclose this information into the public?
No, sir. I
So
want to
you
keep it.
want us
I
to
want to
keep this
keep it private,
information
please.
private?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, Mr. Jacobs, if you want us to keep this information confidential and private, then you and me will have to make sure one thing, that till the time your case will not get closed, and till the time you don't receive an confirmation email from the court committee members stating that your case has been closed, this information should not get disclosed with any of the third party. Third party means not even to the person standing next to you, because right now you are under the monetary surveillance by the government. All of your phone lines are being recorded by the government. And if you try to disclose this information with anybody, that will be taken as a conclusion that you are trying to disobey the rules and regulations of the government. And then after, I would be helpless. I won't be able to do anything for you. Have you got the condition number 3, sir?
I got that, officer.
Okay. Now I will provide you the condition number 4. At this point of time, your payments will not be accepted by your debit card or by your credit card. As such, this case is against the government organization. As such, this case is against the IRS. Whatever bank accounts, whatever savings, or whatever future investments you do have, that is all under investigation by the government. And if you try to make any kind of electronic transaction, if you try to make any kind of online transaction by your debit card or by your credit card, your bank account, your savings, and your future investments will be frozen by the government in next fraction of second. So just to keep your banking information in a safer part, this time your payment has to be done over the government official website, which is www.eftps.gov. I will repeat the website again. It's www.e as in elephant, F as in Frank, T as in Tom, P as in Patricia, S as in Sam, .gov. Can you please repeat the website again, sir?
Yes, officer. It's www.eftps.gov.
That is right. Now, in order to make the payments over the government official website, you would be needing the government authorized user ID and the password so that you can log into the government official website by your own and you can make the payments by your own. So do you have the government authorized user ID and the password for the government official website?
I don't know if I have it.
No problem. I will ask the accounting department of the IRS to generate the user ID and the password for the government official website. I will give you the user ID and the password over the phone so that you can log into the government official website by your own and you can make the payments by your own. But once you log into the government official website, once you log into the government official website, how would you make the payments? Because if you would enter your debit or your credit card information, your bank account, your savings, and your future investments will be frozen by the government. So do you have any idea that how do you have to pay this $4,566 by the government site?
No, officer. Where do I need to pay?
No problem. Okay, I will explain it.
Sorry. I'm so sorry, Mr. Officer.
Okay.
I don't want any problems.
Okay, I will explain you about that. What you have to do is you have to go to your bank. You have to withdraw $4,566 in cash.
Okay.
Then you have to go to any of the government authorized store, any of the Target or any of the Best Buy nearby you. Do you have any of the government authorized store, any of the Target or any of the Best Buy nearby you?
Yes.
And which government store is nearby you, sir?
I think it's the Walmart, officer.
No, I'm talking about Target or a Best Buy.
Yes, a Target.
Okay. Now let me explain you the things from the beginning, how exactly it works.
Okay.
What you have to do is you have to go to your bank first. You have to withdraw $4,566 in cash. Then you have to go to any of the government authorized store, any of the Target nearby you, and you have to convert your cash into an electronic voucher, into an government authorized bond in the form of a gift card. And as soon as you get the government authorized bond, as soon as you get the electronic voucher, on the same time, I will give you the user ID and the password for the government official website, and I will be guiding you that how do you have to make the payments on the government official website by the electronic voucher. Have you got the condition number 4, sir?
Yes, officer.
Okay. Now I will provide you the last condition, the condition number 5.
Okay.
As soon as you pay this $4,566, we will send one of the tax officer today evening on your given time at your doorstep with the documentations of this case in black and white paper, and there will be a 30 to 45 minutes counseling session in which the tax officer will explain you that where was the mistakes done by you while filing for the taxes, and the tax officer will guide you that in your near future how exactly you have to file your taxes so that you won't be facing this kind of problems again. Now, you think twice, take a wise decision, a strong decision, and let me know whether you can fulfill all the terms and conditions, all of my instruction very strictly without doing any kind of mistakes or not. If you have any question or any confusion, you may please go ahead and ask me.
Okay.
So are you sure that you can follow all my instructions strictly?
Yes, sir. Of course.
Okay.
I will,
Now,
officer.
let me ask
I will.
you. Okay. All right. That sounds pretty. Now let me ask you this. From which bank you are banking with?
I have cash.
So you have cash of $4,566.
Yes.
Okay. And are you talking with me on your cell phone or on your landline?
I have my cell phone.
Okay. Can I know how much battery percentage, how much power you do have in your
Yes.
cell phone right now?
76.
Okay. And
Do I need
you
to
have
go?
the,
Do I need to go to the store now?
that is right, because the payment has to be done within that, according to the condition number 1.
Okay.
See, sir, if you can't
I
follow
can.
my
I can
instructions,
go. I can go. I can go right now.
okay, what you can do is you can collect the cash for $4,566 and your driver's license and everything.
Yes,
While
officer.
talking with me, I want you to get into your car first. Once you get into your car, once you sit inside the car, let me know that, yes, sir, I'm sitting into my car, so that I can guide you that what next you have to do. Okay?
Okay, officer.
All right. I'll be holding the line. Just make sure you are entitled to put me on a mute or on a hold. You can put me
Officer.
over the speaker phone.
Officer.
Can you hear me?
Yeah,
Yeah.
officer. I don't have a speaker function on my phone. I gave you my son. I'm gonna drive right now. I give you my son so I can drive. Darren, you coming?
Well, sir, you cannot disclose the information with anybody. You have to go alone.
Of course. I can drive. I can drive. I gave you my son. While I'm driving, I will fix this. Don't worry.
Well, sir, you
Darren,
have
can
to
you
go
take the
alone.
phone?
You have to.
I going to drive now.
Yep, yep, okay, yep.
Hello?
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 Hello? Yep.
Yes, who is this?
Yep, this is, yep, how you going?
Can I talk to your father, please?
No, he's driving at the moment.
Oh, I think you are still in the house.
No, he's driving at the moment.
So let me talk to him. I want to talk to him.
Who? Hang on,
Yeah.
hang on.
Sir,
hang
I'm
on.
driving. I'm driving. I
Well,
can't
Mr.
take the risk to get a ticket for calling in the car, please.
I did not ask you to start driving. Did I ask you to start driving? I told you before that if you cannot follow my instruction, I am not a right person to help you.
I'm so sorry.
Where are you right now? You are not at all in your car, and I
I'm
can
in the
see
car.
that.
I'm in the car.
How would I believe
I'm in the car, sir.
I didn't know what I said to him.
I'm in the car, officer. I'm hurrying right now.
I don't know
And
what I
which
said
store
to
you
him.
are driving to?
I'm driving to the Target.
I'm holding the line. Once you reach at the parking lot of the Target, stay inside the car and let me know.
Yes, sir. But I don't take the risk of getting a ticket.
Well, sir, you don't have to cry again and
I
again.
can't drive. I can't drive and call. I can't do that.
I'll be holding the line, okay? You can
Okay.
ask your son to keep your cell phone
Yes.
with you. I'll be
Yes.
holding the line, and when you reach
Okay.
at the parking lot of the Target, let me know.
Okay. I go on with driving now. Darren, you can talk to him.
You don't have, nobody have to
Yep,
talk to
hello?
holding.
Hello? Yeah,
Sir?
how you going, mate? Yep, Dad's just driving. He's just driving at the moment.
Okay.
You can tell me
Okay,
what.
I'll be holding the line.
No,
No,
I'm
no,
here.
no. You can keep the cell
You can
phone
tell
with
me
you.
what.
I'll be holding the line.
Yeah, but you can tell me what, because I'm old enough. I'm old enough to know.
But I don't
Um,
want to talk to you.
Yeah, but I'm old enough, mate.
What?
I'm a man. I'm a man now. I'm a man now.
What?
I'm a man. I'm old enough to
So?
talk men business now.
Who the hell you are?
No, but Dad said that
Huh?
I'm old enough now. Dad said I'm old
Who
enough
the hell
now.
you are?
What do you mean? Darren. My name's Darren. Darren Taylor. Darren Taylor Jacobs. That's my name. Dad said that I had to talk to you so that way, because he's driving. Can't drive while you're talking, otherwise you get in trouble. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Dad, I think he's gone. I don't know what he's doing. I think he might have hung up. Hello, are you still there? Hello? Dad, I think he's gone. I don't know what he's doing.
Oh my goodness.
Is he gone? I scared him off.
Yeah, he hang up. Oh man, I had to go. I had to take a piss. Man, I was holding it up for 20 minutes, man. Oh, this guy, he was fucking crazy. He was fucking crazy, man. What the fuck? Oh, man. Oh, this guy was crazy. Then I told you to get in the car. Oh, man. Oh, this, man. This, we needed a few minutes. We needed the driving sounds, man. A few minutes ago, he hung up on us.
Oh, real?
Yeah. Oh, this was, oh man, this was cry. This was epic, man.